Okay, today is Unit 4, Week 1, Day 3. There's a lot to do today, so make sure that you make all the corrections in 1 and 2 and that you think about what you're supposed to be doing in 3, 4, and 5. Okay, a linking verb. Before you start, I'm going to talk to you about the linking verb to remind you. A linking verb connects the subject, which in this case, Jasa would be the subject because it's the beginning of the sentence. So it links the subject to the giving information about the subject. So Jasa is my subject. Is linking Jasa to being sick today. Okay, so here's my subject is we. There's a word linking that we are late for school yesterday. So what's the linking verbs? Okay, and then in number 4, it says circle the root word, underline the prefix. So the root word is the word that stands by itself, and the prefix comes before the root word, but it's 2 lines if it's a suffix. So 2 lines if it's a suffix which comes at the end of the word. So you go ahead and figure out if it's the prefix, if it comes before the word, or if it's the suffix and comes after the word. And then number 5 is write a compound word that describes when it is time to go to bed. And a compound word is 2 words put together to make a new word. So pause it and do 1 through 5. Okay, so number 1, the house are blue, green, and red. Okay, well, you know that every sentence starts with a capital. That's an easy one. The house are blue, green, red. Blue, green, red. So we have to put some commas in. Blue, because we're making a list. Green, and we have to have a word in here. And red. The house are, we can't say the house. It has to be the houses, right? The houses are, and we need our end mark. Okay, so the houses are blue, green, and red. Okay, number 2. The door is unlocked, said Sam. So let's see what you guys do for that one. I'm sure that you capitalized, and I'm sure that you put a period because it's telling me something. Okay, then we have to capitalize Sam because it's a name. Good job. And he's talking. Sam is talking because it said Sam. So I have to put, what are those called? Quotation marks at the beginning of what he said and at the end of what he said. But then there's a word in there that we have to put together because it's one word. Unlock. Good, because un cannot stand all by itself. It has to be put together with locked. So, quote, the door is unlocked. Comma, quote, said Sam. Okay, number 3, circle the linking verb in the sentence below. Remember, it's going to link the subject to the rest of the sentence. So Jasa is sick today. So my linking verb is. And we were late for school yesterday. So my subject we and the rest of the sentence is late for school. My linking verb is were. Okay, circle the root word, underline the prefix, draw 2 lines, underline the prefix, draw 2 lines under the suffix. So hopeless is the root word. It's the word that can stand by itself. Is this at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word? It's the end of the word, so less is a suffix. Okay, unhelpful. Ooh, this one has a lot. What's the word that can stand by itself? Help. So my prefix, because pre means before, is un. And my suffix is full. Remake. Make can stand by itself, and re is a prefix. Disloyal. Loyal can stand by itself, and dis is my prefix. All right, your pencils are down. You can fix it if you didn't get it right at the end. Write a compound word that describes when it's time to go to bed. I'm going to take bed, and I'm going to take time, and I'm going to put them together and get my compound word, bedtime. Okay, go ahead and pause it and make your corrections.